Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a renowned British automotive brand founded in 1922. It initially started as a manufacturer of motorcycle sidecars before evolving into producing cars. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Jaguar, Jaguar, Jag, U, R, Jaguar. An interesting fact about Jaguar is that it is known for its luxury and performance vehicles, including sports cars and elegant sedans. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Jaguar, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.